Welcome to another video of Miss T Ideas. Today I'm working in a little ring binder that I made out of cords. And you know, I don't know about all, but a lot of us have those cords that we don't know what to do with, or cards are inexpensive, especially at the Dollar Tree. And I covered these cards with book pages. And I could have made whatever I wanted out of these cards, but I chose to make a little art ring binder. And I can stamp, which I've stamped, put paint it on them. This is what I'm doing, painting on them. So it's a little drawing and painting journal. And I can use my paint pens and paint on these. But today I'm using some loose paint. And I have some little scripture cards that I made a long time ago, and I just started. I put too much paint. The paint came out really. I use this as my palette. This is what you call it. And it came out too much. So I just started using it on other things. This envelope, and I got this brush, and I just been using the excess on these cards. And these were some, I don't think these was the plain cards, but it was the little card, the bigger cards that you can, yeah, this was the number cards. And I don't know about nobody else, but I have a lot of cards. I accumulate a lot of cards around the house. I don't know. Well, maybe some of the cards are for my grandkids. And maybe we have some decks of cards. And I've been trying to find out what I can do with cards in art, in any kind of journaling. And you know, that's what we do, is journal. So that's what I've been doing. And what I've been doing, the reason why so much is orange is because I waste the orange paint. That's why. So I'm using it. And this is my drawing pencils right here. Put my glasses on and see what the brand of it is, because these are some really good drawing pencils. Techinal something. Roga, Ticonderoga. It's charcoal pencils, because I like to doodle as well. So, but I'm not doing that right now. I'm just playing in the paint, and I have different paints. I have the marbleized paint. I have bags of acrylic paint. I also have sponge paints on deck. Sponge paints, stencils. And when I paint, I don't really have to think about anything, because I'm not too serious. I'm not that serious with myself when I'm painting. I just do whatever I want to do, and that's really good for me right now with the stuff I'm going through, family stuff. So I get to do stuff that I don't have to think about, because you know, I have really a lot pressing things on my mind. I've also made some ink paper today. I'm trying to get some of this out now. I want to use the blue now. Just put some drops of blue right there. Got me a sponge. And what I'm doing is inking now the sides. This side is orange. I'm gonna ink this side blue. This is a funny spongy brush. It's a different texture. And I'm using these. I've made another one that I can write in. I could write in ring, and I got a 2-ring binder, okay? 2-ring journal with vellum in it and cardstock. And this is what you call creating, just mindlessly creating. Like they say, no rhyme, no reason, no plan. Nothing turned into something. And just, I can make pockets out of these. I can put these in my journal. I could put these in pockets. And they're hanging like this on a key ring. I think that's neat. I think that's very neat. I think it's interesting how it hangs. And by my hands, you can tell the size of these cards. And I don't know about you, but when I go to doctor's appointments and stuff, my hands is busy. So these flip through paint journals are gonna be good because I'll write on top of this stuff, y'all. I will. I really use the stuff that I make. I make the stuff usable. And if I give it to anybody, they can use it too. I make stuff, create stuff that's usable. I've stenciled some. This is the orange. I might need to call it the orange journal because I poured out too much orange. And so I'm not gonna waste anything. If I pour it out, I'm gonna use it. And what I'm gonna end up doing with these my ring journals is I'm gonna put some sewing stitches in them too. So this is a flower, and I'm gonna just kind of start coloring this flower. Different petals, different colors. And this is some cards on with book pages stuck to them. And I'm so glad I found something to do with them because I have cards everywhere. And I want to do something with them. Of course, you can make tags, you know. And a little stamped and stamped. All of them. I hope you can see what I'm doing. So. This is just something that you can play with, doodle around with, kind of sketch on them. And that's what I'm doing. I'm not doing anything that take a lot of thought. This is really a de-stretcher, stressor. Just doodling and painting. Okay. Y'all know I like to paint. I've seen the ladies I painted. Y'all know I like to paint. Move this over here if I can have. And these cards here got scriptures on them. These cards, I just had too much paint, and I just rubbed it in the paint. This is an envelope. I just rubbed the excess of the paint that I waste between the envelope and these scripture cards. Let me fix this, because I want y'all to be able to see this. So, if you have cards around your house, you could make this ring journal. You could put 1 ring or 2 rings or 3 rings, just however many rings you want. And you can doodle on them, ink them. Because we know we got them ink stamps. Ink them. Put paper tape on them. Buttons on them. Fabric on them. I have some birds on some of them. I'm going to show y'all my big art journal one day. I got a big one. It's big, but I'm not an artist. Got some mixed media in it. Made it out of brown bags. I love, love, love brown bags. You can do whatever. It's unlimited what you can do with brown bags. And when I say brown bags, I am talking about the brown grocery bags that you can get from your grocer. Come on, this.